Hey going there guys, just in the old Mitsubishi here, and I was actually coming through Car Scanner the other day and I thought this was quite interesting. Just thought I'd make this little video for you, probably Pajero Sport or Triton owners. If you come into settings up here and you come into custom sensors and you click on add, no hang on, load set, and you actually scroll down here, they actually had one that was for Mitsubishi Pajero Sport EN. Now I just put this, and what it actually did is it chucked in heaps of, actually they call them like PIDs, but anyway, heaps of extra sensor data. Now you can see there's a few more in here, so some of these might also suit other people's cars. This is in the Car Scanner app. And sometimes you might even be able to do like general actual motors might work in some different cars, because even though it's actually a different model, it could still like work. But anyway, once that came in, these are all these extra things that actually came into the car. So you can see I got a lot more data coming in now. Just going through them all, there's a lot of intense stuff here. That actually picks up all your gears when you're in automatic. It can show you all that. So all these things you can actually, it's probably easier if I come in here, all sensors, and I think they come up down the very bottom now. So all these R200 ones, so you can see all these extra sensors that have come in now. We got a boost, that was going to be pretty standard. Oil temp, that's probably pretty standard. Coolant temp's pretty standard. Some of these come in already, but some of them are new. Fuel injection data coming in here. EGR valve position. What else could be useful for people? Transmission gear. These go to like 1 if it's in that gear. So as you're driving along, you can see this change. Yeah, that's about it. But a lot of extra data if you do like to actually geek out and you do have a Pajero Sport or a Triton.